Let's make soap together. So I'm adding in my oils. We'll be making an aloe and neem soap with bentonite clay as an additive. Now, lately the weather has been very dry and I have been having a bout of hormonal acne. So I wanted to make something that would make my skin feel like me again, and that's exactly what I set out doing. Um, you have to make sure you have the exact measurement, especially with the lye. You don't want it to be too much or too little, else it would affect whether or not your soap can be used. So I would advise you soap calc to ensure that your measurements are accurate and you are not making something terrible for yourself. So I made the aloe vera extract and just kept it in a bottle and refrigerated it. So when I add it to the lye, it would not overheat and take out the nutrients. Here I'm adding some bentonite clay. You have to disperse it in the oil. Bentonite clay basically helps with a lot of impurities, dragging out oil in the skin when you use it, but it's also great for the sleep of the soap. So I've added in the lye water and now I'm just adding in my essential oil blend. My scale is under the bowl and I'm actually using measurements. I've been doing it for a while, so I'm quite able to gauge how many drops at a time I'm putting in while I'm weighing, so I don't put in more than I'm supposed to. Add the fragrance of your choice. Here I'm using Australian bamboo. It's very light and fresh. Mix everything. Add your neem powder. I was using teaspoons. I used 4 teaspoons, and the total weight of the soap is 500 grams because, like I said, I'm making it for myself to use. You can add as much as you want, but a tablespoon per pound of oil is usually advisable. Then I added a little bit of sodium lactate to help harden my soap, and like I said, a teaspoon per pound of oil is also advisable in order to get the right consistency. I use biscuit containers to do this mold because most of my soap molds are big and I just wanted something small. Here, this is it. Literally, you can use anything to do a soap mold once you get your measurements right. I used the biscuit containers and these worked out perfectly for me because I had enough to cure for myself and my sister, and so far I am excited to try it out. I am really really excited to try it out. So let me know if you would like to try this recipe. I can send a detailed recipe to you. Just ask me for it in the comment section. Thank you very much.